Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Google AdSense approval for your WordPress website using a script. So getting approved by Google AdSense in 2026 is harder than it used to be, but it's still very doable if your sites look legit. So there's no magic like hack or trick, but there is a structure and a script that significantly improve your chances. So in this video, we'll show you what AdSense actually check and the exact pages and scripts that you should use, and maybe some common mistakes that you can do that will make your sites get rejected. So let's get started. First, let's just be honest. AdSense does not approve the websites because they are new or pretty, or even use WordPress. They approve the sites that looks like a real project, not a test site, and have original content and provide a clear value for the user and follow some basic policies. What AdSense rejects instantly, basically like this website, an empty site, or some AI spam content, maybe some copy and paste blogs, or maybe some sites that's made only to show ads. So keep that in mind. So what you'll have to do is before you even think about applying, your WordPress site must have 5 or let's say 6 things. Let's start by a clean theme, no demo text. So as you can see, the website that I do have here is not a good site. It will not get approved by AdSense. I'll tell you that for sure. Of course, you would like to make your website also mobile friendly design. If someone opens your site in the mobile, they should see it and it should work properly as it works in the PC. Other than that, it should have at least from 10 to let's say 15 original articles, not a copy paste articles. And the last two checks that you need to check is each article at least should have 800 to 1000 words. And finally, you should have no broken pages or placeholders content. So you don't need traffic yet, but the site must look finished. So a site or a website like this that I do have here will not get approved 100%. So first of all, let's just go through the pages that are mandatory to get accepted with AdSense. Missing even one can cause rejection. So your website must have at least 4 pages. The first page, it should be about us, so people can contact you or contact us, or even those 2 pages. As an example, about us, telling you or telling the visitor more about your website or about your business, and then a contact us page where they can contact you. Also, a page for privacy policy, where you can share all your privacy policy, and another page for terms of service. These pages tell AdSense that you are a real publisher, but not a bot. So the next step is basically the most important part. So in About Us page, you will need to add a script. I'm just going to tell you like something, and you can customize this however. Let's say About Us will be something like that. Welcome to, you'll have to add your website name, and you can add something like this, like we publish original, informative content to help maybe users understand, and you can add your niche, maybe understand electronics, understand football, understand something like that. And you can add this example, our goal is to provide accurate, helpful, and easy to understand information for our readers. So make sure to keep it simple and no marketing fluff. So this is what to add in, as an example, contact us page or in about us page. In contact us page, as an example, so let's just go here to pages. You can go and add, so as you can see, I don't have good pages. So as I said, you need contact us page. So contact us page, and I just told you the script that you should add. Other than that, of course, you can just add a text and add that. Other than that, let me just go back here, add another page that is like, okay, I added contact us and I told you about us. So let's just add now about us page. This is a very useful page as well. And contact us basically because I told you first about us. You can add something like this. So if you have any questions, feedback, or maybe some business inquiries, you can contact us at, and you can add here your email. Let's say, as an example, let's test at gmail.com. Let's say that is your email. And of course, we aim, you can add something like that. We aim to, as an example, respond within, as an example, 24 to 84 like hours, or business, or 2 business days or something like that. It's totally up to you. Make sure to use a real email and not some fake forms only. So other than that, you can add also a privacy policy. So add the privacy policy page. In this page, you can use the WordPress or Adsense auto-generated privacy policy. You can add after those privacy policies something like that. Like, I'm just going to tell you something here. You can do like, we use Google AdSense to display ads. Google may use cookies, including the double-click cookie, so to show ads to users based on their visits to this and other websites. And this line is very, very critical. So I'll have to, I'll just go and type it here as an example to you. So it's very important that you'll need to add this in your privacy policy. So we use Google AdSense to display ads. Google may use cookies, including the double-click cookie, to show ads to users based on their visit to this and other websites. Finally, you would like to add, as we said, a page for term of service. So let's just say that you want to add this. So terms of service. And in this page, you'd like to add something easy. So you can just type by using this website as an example. You agree to our terms and conditions. Content is provided for informational purposes only. And yeah, something like this. You don't have to add more than that. Simple is enough. Legal perfection is not required. So once you add those pages, you can go to the content quality rules. So content rules for approval, you'll need to write some original content. Do not just go and copy paste. Make sure to add images, headings, and structures, and make sure to focus on helping the reader. So what to not do as an example is basically just publishing some spam AI articles or copy from other blogs, or maybe post some affiliates only content, or maybe use some scrapped or rewritten text. This is not good. If AdSense suspect low value content, you'll be rejected, even with all pages present. So once you did all of that, it's time to apply the right way. Now you can go and apply. Go to the Google AdSense as an example, and you can go and add your site. Make sure to add the website URL right here. So I do have a website right here. Let me just go and look for it. So yeah, right here, let me just go and copy this. I'm just going to add this and click on save, and you can just go and apply the right way as you do normally. So add your website URL, verify the site ownership, paste the AdSense code into WordPress, submit and wait, and approval can take from a few days or from, as example, 2 to 3 weeks. So do not reapply immediately if rejected. If rejected, you'll have basically to understand why you get rejected. Some of the top reasons people get rejected is basically something content, missing policy pages, AI spam articles, websites under constructions, or copyright issues. So fix these issues first, then reapply. So you'll need to understand what are you missing, then reapply once you fix all your problems. You can apply it the normal way. It's very known as an example. So it should be good to go for you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.